Canal-front lot in Mount Olive Shores is great for RV-ers. The driveway features a 50-amp breaker, water hookup, and dump station. 12 by 20 shed has tons of storage, including a couple of loft areas. Shed also has a full bathroom plus laundry hookups. It was built to withstand hurricane winds too. This wonderful community is conveniently located near A4. The low HOA fees include lawn maintenance, trash collection, maintenance for the roads, gates, fences and other community facilities. For the first year of ownership, you must own a Class A motorhome.